I continue to chase my dreams. I've never experienced minimalist living. I've never lived in nature. I've never planted tomatoes in the ground. I've never watered a garden. I'm going to learn it all and I'm going to succeed. Today I'm going to build myself a deck on wheels. I will put our mobile deck on an 11-meter double-axle chassis. The composite decks I use have 5 different sizes. They all have different lengths. It will be very difficult for me to put them together and find the right setting. Some of the composite decks have less than 1 centimeter difference in length. This makes my job more difficult. After thinking a bit with my brother, we decided to arrange all the composite decks randomly on our chassis. Then we will assemble them by changing their places like Lego. The assembly is very simple. I screw the first row of equivalents to the chassis, then I connect the second row with clips. I will use about 300 clips and screw them all to the chassis in order.
Tamam.
Yes.
Ama hiçbir şey olmadı.
Sürükledin mi? Sürükledin mi? 5, 950. Değil mi? Böyle tatlı. Bunu da demesinler kadın işi anasını satayım. Ne yaptırdı bakalım.
Ne?
Atalım mı? Bilmem atalım. Atalım. Yolla.
Oh!
Oldu.
Tamam.
Birini. Ya eldiven tak. Tamam. Amasını kaçırmadan bir eve gitseydik. Ne oldu ya? Sırılca getirelim bizi. Atıyor musun biraz daha? Evet. Abi. Yedim bir tane. Günlüğünü Bora'yla gidiyoruz. Şöyle iyice getir. İyice getir. Şöyle iyice getir. İyice getir. Bir, iki, üç. Bravo.
Waiting in the undertow. Can't touch the bottom. Sit into a tumble. Waves that shake me out of my skin. Never been so easy. Losing my direction. My bearings have me south of home. But I've been wrong before. I was waiting in the undertow. Set adrift, we fed away like boats, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow. And the water like a lover who lost her touch. At first I was hesitant,